If space, simplicity, and serious accessibility matter to you, this 2016 Dodge Grand Caravan SXT checks every box. With just 51,400 miles, this van delivers the kind of room and reliability that makes everyday mobility easier. Whether you're a family, caregiver, or managing professional transport. Now let's talk about what really makes this van stand out. The rear entry design. This BraunAbility manual fold-out ramp measures an impressive 58 inches long and 35 inches in width. The extra width makes a real difference when loading larger power chairs. And inside, you're looking at a massive 97-inch of floor length, 33-inch of width, and a 55-inch interior height. That means outstanding maneuverability and comfortable positioning without feeling cramped. Because this is a manual rear entry system, there is no complicated electronics, just straightforward, reliable accessibility that's easy to maintain and built to last. Finished in a sleek black on black, this SXT has a clean, professional appearance that works just as well for personal use as it does for transport services. Under the hood, Dodge's proven 3.6-liter V6 engine delivers smooth, confident performance. Around town or on the highway, this Grand Caravan handles the job with ease. So if you want space without complexity, accessibility without compromise, and reliability you can count on, this 2016 Dodge Grand Caravan SXT is ready to deliver. For any questions, call us today at 800-431-3183 or visit us at automobilitystore.com. Let's get you moving.